Hello dear parents, we have a video for you too. Welcome to our channel and welcome to this video all about flying with an infant. Are you ready for a takeoff with a tiny human in tow? Because let's be real, flying with an infant can be a real adventure and not always in a good way. Okay, so first things first. Let's talk about the most important thing, your baby's ears. Yes folks, those tiny ears can be super sensitive to air pressure that changes during the takeoff and landing. And trust me, you do not want to be that parent with a screaming baby on a plane. Here are a few tips to help soothe those little ears. Give your baby a pacifier or a bottle during takeoff and landing. The sucking motion can help equalize the air pressure in their ears. Use ear drops before the flight to help alleviate any discomfort. And if all else fails, try the old cover the ears with all your hands trick. It's not the most glamorous solution, but it might just do the trick. Now, let's talk about what to pack. Because let's face it, babies require a lot of stuff. And here are the essentials. Diapers, lots and lots of diapers. Formula or breast milk, do not forget to pack enough for the flight, plus just a little extra, just in case. Pacifiers or bottles. These can be lifesavers during takeoff and landing as discussed. If your baby is eating solids, be sure to pack some baby food for the flight. Bring some toys and games to keep your baby occupied during the flight. Finally, some extra clothing because, well, you never know when you might need them. Now, let's talk about the actual flight. Because let's face it, this is where things can get really interesting. Try to book a seat with more legroom, like a bulkhead seat or a seat near the front of the plane. Trust me, you will appreciate the extra space. Consider booking a flight with a baby-friendly airline. Some airlines offer perks like baby bassinets or baby changing facilities. And finally, be prepared for turbulence. Because let's face it, planes can be bumpy and you do not want to be caught off guard. And finally, here are a few miscellaneous tips to keep in mind. Try to fly during your baby's nap time. Trust me, you will appreciate the extra sleep. Consider bringing your baby a baby carrier or sling. These can be lifesavers during the flight, especially if you have a fussy baby. And finally, do not be afraid to ask for help. Flight attendants are trained to handle all sorts of situations, including the fussy babies. And there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to becoming a pro at flying with an infant. Happy travels and don't forget to pack your sense of humor. And also to subscribe our channel. Thank you.